Let's take a look at your markets picture, kicking things off with the JSE. Now, the commodities rout extended into today's trading session with the all-share index plunging more than 5% at the open before paring those losses, erasing recent gains. Now, big miners really the driver of those losses. Sibanye, Valterra, Northam, Implats, just some of the miners in the red. Now, taking a look at that picture, we see the Resources 10 complex really the one dragging the JSE down over 5%, and that, of course, leading to a near 1% decline in the all-share. In the green, however, we have the Financial 15 gaining close to 1.9%, as well as the Industrial 25 up just over 0.75%. Now let's take a look at what's playing out stateside. We saw markets rebounding at the top of the week, shrugging off that U.S. partial government shutdown and cheering factory activity data. The manufacturing sector in expansionary territory at 52.4 points this month, or rather last month. Traders on that front also looking ahead to tech earnings from Alphabet and Amazon. Green across the board over on Wall Street, with the Nasdaq leading the gains up 0.71%. The Dow Jones up a similar margin, and the S&P 500 gaining just over 0.5%. Over in Europe, the mood pretty similar, with stocks also in positive territory as the precious metals route somewhat eases. A big week on that front as well, with the Bank of England and the European Central Bank out with rates decisions. And with that, we are seeing the German DAX leading the gains up over 1%, followed by the FTSE 100 up a similar margin, and the French CAC 40 gaining just over 0.8%. Now let's take a look at what's playing out on the currency front. We are seeing the rand retrace some of those losses it reported on Friday, but sometime this morning we did see the rand at 16.32, the greenback retracing those losses, but still above the 16 rand mark. It's sitting at 16.08 against the dollar. Against the pound, the rand's at 21.95, and against the euro, just under 19. Now let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar at 1.18, trading stronger. The euro to the, or rather, the pound to the dollar, that is at 1.36, and trading weaker is the dollar yen pair, just above 155.